Good looking, bad tasting, full bodied, but wasted.
It's originality that's got me here, and it's originality that'll keep me here.
Look at me.
If you're a good singer, you should shine wherever you get a spot. I'm going to find a way.
Can we have Tara Simon, please? Hi, Tara.
Hi, Simon. How are you guys?
I'm good, thank you. You look great.
Thank you. So do you.
Thank you, I know.
Let's do it.
Thank you.
Oh, it was so fun. I want to do it again.
When you watch that back, you're going to find out you showed us a little bit more than you expected
Oh,
there.
no.
I'm afraid so. Okay, follow that. That's what you call giving it.